issue kata ketika Women Reservation Bill.
Rahul Gandhi, go back! Go back!
Kamanipur haduk mentang kampat sok. Lakan usna mentang kamanipur layat. Kikin thei hapo kari kejongi. Kisha rep man la ka sngi. Now, Kablish Buni Pibaro and welcome you back to World Winner. Temta sngi shabangan sedang ya ka jingkren ko jonga ka jingkren ka ikan pedifi ka video.
Ni pendiam Kongres. Ni pendiam Kongres. Ni pendiam
Man bang ini ka video ngasam berkibat nama Balei because it's very funny. And the fact is I don't know more. Ngamtip bakini ki tip nem ki protest nam tak nama pet karukom rakhi ka jongki karukom protest ka jongki kam shang dor khendiat ro long shule tang ba force manor manote. Aba force manor manone asio da kapisane ne baki para chol don't protest ante chol pet ka protest ante long tate. So they don't really know what they are doing exactly, but they just doing it for the sake of either money or either friends circle long to kajing ong parlok no ya yelit katale katakom taklo rekom le ezong kigan
condemn Rahul Gandhi. Condemn Rahul Gandhi. He condemn
Why would you condemn Rahul Gandhi? For what reason?
Priya Gandhi. You condemn Priya Gandhi.
You can literally see it. Ka BJP kan. We'll not talk about women here. Let's talk about only BJP. Ka BJP ka attack by Congress. Ngapte bale. Is it they're scared? Ne? Is it because they just want to win the whole India to themselves? That's what.
Yang Ahmad Jumpi kren shaphang kaei ke issue kata ketika Women Reservation Bill 100% ka bahag nak benta jungi khynthei ka balapun snem kilamut panpas hapo parlimen hynrei hadu menta kimla panpas.
Right. Just by the statement bakane ka briew ka kren kan. Long i shai te baka BJP ka lack information ado kata because this is scripted. A lot of thought igine barok thought scripted, right? Scripted. Ani ka briew ba ya ka woman reservation claim pat pass adap ang lakanos nem. So I will show you guys now. An panipi menta. Tenga ko ar pin share ka video ya kitu kilong kami ki ba pi dala pi tho kitu kilong kami ki ba protest. Ni ka video ki. Right hane. Kaya ni kitom na Women Reservation Bill. On 20th September 2023, Lok Sabha passed the bill with 454 votes. Rajya Sabha passed the bill with 214 votes in favor and none against. On 21st September, President Draupadi Murmu signed the bill on 28th September 2023. Right? What ka bill ada pass, tambahan penon kami kapat will come into force soon after the first delimitation. Can one enforce only after the first delimitation? Katakan day bandi kadiban long haunius nam tambah kaklam yan. Taka daw gini ki protest. Tama ki protest naman taka epat naman taka Women Reservation Bill, which is already accepted by both the Rajya Sabha tambakin panon kami kapat tang dalat ka delimitation. Right? And not only them. I will explain you about delimitation, but I will show you one more video. Kan pinipis ko yung video ang nema. Wait,
Rahul Gandhi, go back! Go back!
Piang ya Rahul Gandhi go back. Siya ikong lit ba play? Kani kari ka chung ur kumjo. Kung makalong kari ka chung pi, ka chung ur kalong kumjo. Piang ni uban go back. Lit siya ikong play. Lit siya ay. Lit siya ibu play. Ate. Okay, let's listen.
Go back! Go back! Modi ji!
Yes, Modi ji Jindabad.
Priyanka Gandhi, go back! Go back! Jindabad! Jindabad!
Meghalaya woman with Modi. Okay? Klem don ba yu rat ya ki khynthei. Klem don ba yu banye khynthei, klem don ba isi khynthei. Pitim na ka jing isi khynthei am dei ki khynthei hi. Kaei ka baja ba Manipur. Ka Manipur haddu menta kampat sok. Lakanos na menta ka Manipur layat. Kampat dan jing sok pa Manipur menta. Believe him protest na mata ki nong Manipur. Pila jo perkada kata believe him protest na mata ki jong nong Manipur. Ki khynthei hapo kari ka jongi ki sharep man la ka sngi na do ki baret hado ki bahe hado ki temen. Believe him protest na mata ki to. Believe him protest na mata ki to. Tapi ko ban yo kan ka lai phlai percent reservation namata ki khynthei Balei pim protes namata ka lai percent women reservation ya ka BJP manobat power mata ka BJP Balei ka delimitation develop kan ka problem hang ne am ba ka wi palong na ba ka BJP ka protes company shai ba ka protes mata ka delimitation ka show amba protes mata ka women reservation hande ka women reservation tak ada pas nang kami only in delimitation but Balei ka delimitation kamla ban long namar ba kalong bias akan no kodor kalong bias namar tang ki state tangki state ki ba client population kin yo ya ka kin yo ki MP kin yo ki new MP kin pia constituency shu kan long kumtaken suppose mata kum ki state kum hapo south ki state baro ki south ki terakila control ka population ka to ki le ki babaha ki control ka population ba ki la ban pandap pan biang ki briew ki la man aikam aijam kila le ya kata mata ya ki try kindo no try ki kabaha ba kindo no ya kata MP seat ka jongki state kum Bihar Uttar Pradesh yes chances ka jongki ban kyo ke MP seat is very high namar ka population ka jongki ka kyo man la ka por man la ka snem man la ka sngi tamba kum hapo ki south pan don population ka kyo ka jingki population kalong very less amount namar ba ki control ya ka population hapo ka state ka jongki kum ka state ka jongi lite mata kum kinang kumi yang ne ki protest namta ka women reservation hapo ka state ka jongi am it's only 0.01% chances bak MP kan kyo hapo Meghalaya which is very less tikna hirapan yoro that's what so your protest it's all about ban yo kya ki MP seat hakine ki state ki ba pynbun population umdi nam ta ka state ka jongi hapo ka ri mutang inong kamban control population bangin laan pendapan biang ki briew umdi ban bon population ngidin pun control ki population balaan pendapan biang ki briew be kama Bihar Uttar Pradesh pun stang ki badok ki ba shusa haki yang trap yang tap shutap da ki plastic shutap da ki that is happening kumnoken how don't you think samata kan ka delimitation kalong bias do kata so beklam perkhat di kata khandiat officially protest but why because baki khot ki way ki apsai phine balina that's the thing ngasuka pa ba nakarman ba kini ki kme ki jongi kini ki long kme ki jongi kini ki woman ki long khynthei ki jongi na pokashnong ka thau kan jongi kin so tho ya kata but ngako apin protest namanta Manipur kano ka bless kano ka ai jingkur khopia bromate protest namta kin kitu ki khynthei ki bashare man la ka por kano ka jingkur khopia protest namta ka jingphase kano ka jingkur khopia pinyo protest become protest kan ka 33% reservation namta ki khynthei ba kan yaj hapo parliament claim ka delimitation protest hakmat BJP office bakan yaj kan ne ka 33% reservation claim ka delimitation lala pila balai kum tamut katakan jingshisha katakan kabor batikna jong khynthei ada pisung ya please like comment and subscribe and thank you so much guys for watching until next time god bless you all